Today we're going to change the gearbox mountings, the cylinder block, the gearbox vibration mountings, and we're going just to take you through the whole process. This is a Matbro 260, so we're going to change the gearbox mounts, and then I shall take you guys through the whole process. Here we go. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to change this gearbox mount, and then the other side, this has been replaced already. You can see it's just a matter of tightening it, and the other one also is perished. We're going to change it right away today, as you can see that one. So I'll show you on the left hand side what I've removed. This is how it was. You can see the upper parts of the rubber is perished. It's just the bushing which is remaining. So I'm going to proceed in changing the right inside the gearbox mounts, and then the original spare, as you can see, that is the parts. Okay, here we go. That is a new one. So this is what I'm gonna change from the other side. All right. So the first thing you have to do, you have to secure the machine, and then make sure that you support the gearbox. You can see my wood is underneath, supporting the gearbox before I can loosen the support. Okay, this is the one. As you can see, this is still in a good condition, but because I've changed the one that side, then I'm gonna change this one also, so that both are on the new ones have been fisted. So yeah, it's very cold outside. What I'm gonna do, of course, I've jacked it up, I've supported the gearbox. You can see it's supported. So now I'm gonna proceed and then loosen these two bolts and that one. Then I'll drop the whole bracket. I'll drop this bracket. Then it's gonna come much easier just to replace the mounts. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so busy loosening the bolts. As you can see, bolt is loose, and I'll use the ratchets just to speed up the whole thing. Yeah. Okay. So once I've done it, it's much easier that way. So yeah, it's not easy because it's in an awkward position. It's an awkward position, obviously, as you can see it. So I'm gonna use the open end. Here we go. That's open end. So that's the one. Then I will do the other one also, but that I will take it from the other side. As you can see, it's not that easy. Yeah, it's not that easy, but yeah, that's how it is, obviously. So I'm going to take it from other side. because the access is just limited because of the pipes. It's not easy, but okay, shall try. See if I'm gonna manage. No, it's not in. Let's see. It's very, very tight. It's a high torque. It's a high torque. So I'm gonna use a pipe. It's quite tight here. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to undo to loosen that, just to be able to drop the support. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it's a 19. It's a 19. I'll grab it from the top. Yo, tight. It is tight. Alright, what we're gonna do now, gonna use a socket and a power bar. Yeah, socket and a power bar, and I shall loosen it. Okay, that is it. Thing, and then I'm gonna hold it. Okay, the pipe was quite tight. Okay, standing. Okay, I'm gonna just block it from the top with an open end spanner. Okay, I've blocked it. It's fine. Now I can try with the ratchet. I can try with the ratchet. Okay, all right, there we go. As you can see if I can turn it by hand. Impossible. Okay, do it. Then it's loose. Taking the washer, flat washer off, and then I have everything. Okay, put it there. You can see the bolt is loose. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to change the socket. It's a 24. Then I'm gonna hold it. Gonna hold it and then undo it from the back. It's not easy, but as I said, this is a Matbro 260. This is changing the gearbox mount. I've changed already the one on the right hand side. And this is the left hand side one, which I'm busy changing. It's not easy because here I got hydraulics lines and stuff, and but it's okay. It's dirty because it's a lot of dirt and oil sludges and stuff mixed with mud. Yeah, but it's fine. Okay, so the nut is off, and then I shall do the other one. Yeah, you saw the washer fell off one side. Okay, so I need to be careful right there, because otherwise it's gonna fall off. So it's a heavy bracket, steel bracket, and then alright, there, and the nut is off almost. Grab the washer and then support it nicely. Okay, this is the washer, and then the bolts out. The bolt out, and then the whole thing is down. You can see that is your mount. You can see it's contaminated, obviously. I'm going to clean it and then replace it. You see the rubber is torn. Yeah, so I'm gonna remove it and get another one in. Here we go. Okay, this is what we're gonna do now. Okay, so yeah, going to extract the rubber. As you can see, it's there. Clean it a little bit. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt, stuff, and then I'm gonna apply it. Apply. Oh. Jumped out, went far away. So yeah. Okay, so this is how it is. Gonna clean it a bit, and then I shall just. This is a new mount. You can see it's brand new. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just reduce all the dirt stuff. Screwdriver, obviously. I'm not gonna manage it much because it's in a dirty place anyway. But as you can see, I try to. Okay, this is a new rubber mount. So this is fitted. There we go. So now going back, bolt is very clean, so I'll just clean the excess. Yeah. This is a field repair because we notice a very big movement on the gearboxes when you change the gears, and that caused a lot of problems and the gears wouldn't engage. That's why you just will proceed of changing the mounts. Just one of the solutions, because they haven't been done for. These are the original mounts. So yeah, so now what we're gonna do, these are the bolts. So I'm going to engage it, as you can see. Nicely. So I'm gonna fit it. Engage the bolts, and then secure it with, just clean it a bit. It's just the mud, otherwise it's difficult to get the spanner on it. So yeah, put it back, the nut on. Yeah, it's very cold here. And this is, I was saying, this is a Matbro 260. Busy changing the gearbox mounts, and the weather outside is very cold. And then, in fact, it was raining almost since this morning. And then the other side bolts, it's going to engage it there. Same scenario. Same scenario. You need to wiggle it just to be able to engage it. There we go. Guys, I tell you, it's awkward position and very painful position. It's very cold outside, as you can see. Yeah, but that's how it is when you do repair, field repair. It's just not easy, but it's all fine. I'm used to it. Yeah, as I'm busy, wanna put the washer on. Put the washer on, and then put the nut back. Put the nut back. I don't feel my fingers because it's very cold right here. Whoa, I don't even have it. It's just, yo, it's painful, man. Okay, to get the nut on, it's not easy because of the gloves. I don't feel it, and then because of the outside temperature also. Maybe I've managed. Okay, it's on. Yeah, as you can see, all is there. See, the nut is on. So at the moment, the bracket is loose. So I'm going to tighten that. I'm going to put the flat washer there and the nut just to hold it. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Then proceed with that. So this is a flat washer, which I'm going to put it just to hold the rubber. And then I put the nut temporary. Ouais. Il est derrière au Fenwick. Okay. It's okay. Now I'm going to tighten everything. There we go. Okay, that's all. Then I'm going to do the bottom one. I'm going to do this one, and then I'm gonna drop the gearbox back in its original position afterwards, and I'll remove the jack afterwards. All right, thank you all. This is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.